Welcome, boys, in your English class. Today, in English, we are going to start our lesson 4.4 using the past simple. So, in this lesson, we are going to talk and write about people did in the past, what people did in the past. We are going to learn about past simple. Read the poem. So, in this, we are going to read the poem and then we are going to do the actions. Our trip to outer space. We traveled by spaceship to outer space, far, far away. We were very brave. We waved at the earth. We watched the earth get smaller and smaller. We traveled by spaceship to outer space, far, far away. We were very excited. We jumped out of the spaceship. We walked on planet Mars. We traveled by spaceship to outer space, far, far away. We were very tired. We climbed back into the spaceship. We traveled home to the planet Earth. So, this is a poem about children who sat in the spaceship and they went out of the Earth. They traveled by spaceship to the outer space that was far, far away, and they were very brave to do so. They waved at the earth, they watched the earth get smaller and smaller. So when the things we are far from, they get smaller and smaller. We traveled by spaceship to the outer space, far, far away. We were excited and they jumped. You can see in the second picture, they jumped out of the spaceship and they are walking on the planet Mars. We traveled by spaceship to outer space, far, far away. So they get tired and they start climb back to the spaceship and they travel back to the home on the planet Earth. Language detective, verbs ending in ed. So what are verbs? Any work that you do is called verbs. Walking, playing, sleeping, eating, these are verbs. Any work or any action that you do are verbs. We say in grammar, these are verbs. So verbs that end with ed are used as simple past. You can see the example of the words that are in red that ends in ed. Travel, traveled. Wave, waved. Watch, watched. There are other words also in this lesson like jump, jumped. This is the past tense. This is past tense of the verbs. Walk, walked. Climb, climbed. Travel, traveled. So these are the other words that in the poem that ends with ed. Moving on to the next lesson, next page, sorry. Here we are going to talk about what did you do yesterday. You are going to take an interview of your partner and ask him questions. What did you do yesterday? I walked to the park and I played with my sister. Yesterday, Pang walked to the park and he played with his sister. What did you do yesterday? I talked with my grandma. What did you do yesterday? I walked up to the hill. What did you do yesterday? I watched a movie. So here, listen and point to the pictures, then answer the questions. So here is Paco and his sisters and his family. So we are going to ask the questions from Paco after listening what Paco did yesterday and what is Paco doing now. So let's listen to the track number 48.
To space.
We travelled by spaceship to outer space, far, far away. We were very brave. We waved at the earth. We watched the earth get smaller and smaller. We travelled by spaceship to outer space, far, far away. We were very excited. We jumped out of the spaceship. We walked on planet Mars. We travelled by spaceship to outer space, far, far away. We were very tired. We climbed back into the spaceship. We travelled home to planet Earth.
Okay, moving on to the track about Paco, question number 3. Listen carefully.
Track 49.
It's evening. We are talking on the phone to Paco. Hi, Paco. Where are you now?
I'm at home.
Where were you this afternoon?
I was at school.
How about your little sisters? Where are they now?
They are in bed.
Where were they this afternoon?
They were at Grandma's house.
Where is your grandma now?
She is here now. She is watching TV with my mum.
Where was your mum this afternoon?
She was at work.
So you have listened to the track 49 about Paco. So for now we are going to use I am, but in the past we will use I was. She is for now and she was in the past. They are for plural means more than one. We are going to use they are, and when we are going to talk about the past, we will say they were. Where is Paco now? Where was he this afternoon? Paco is at home now and he was at school in the afternoon. Where are Paco's sister now? Where were they this afternoon? Paco's sisters are in home now and they were at their grandma's house in the afternoon. Where was Paco's mom this afternoon? Paco's mom is on her job in this afternoon. Where are you now? Where were you last night? I am in school now and I was at home last night.